everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. You could have clicked on so many others, but you clicked on it. But can you do me one thing as you watch it? Would you consider subscribing to our channel? And if you like this video, would you consider clicking the like button? Please, thank you, and I appreciate you for clicking that like button and subscribing. Okay, so a couple of people have been asking me to do a video on how did I thicken my hair, what did I do to thicken my hair, and I have to tell you one thing. One thing is that I had to write it down, okay? So I had to write down a lot of things because a lot of things has to do with, you document your progress, you document what you've been doing so that you can improve upon what you've been doing and grow much bigger in what you've been doing. So this is my day one, and as it goes on and on, it gets thicker and thicker and thicker. This hairstyle, the video is gonna come out soon, so just stay tuned and do stay subscribed. So a couple of things that I will suggest to you is that if you are someone, okay, you see what I'm doing here? Don't do it. Don't be doing that. So that's the first thing I did not do. The first thing that I stopped doing was over manipulating my hair. So usually I'll do my hair during the weekend and I don't touch my hair during the week unless just to moisturize it. And when I moisturize it, I'm just spraying something, patting something in, just touching it, just feeling it like that. I'm not combing it. I'm not extra manipulating my hair, because I find that when you extra manipulate your hair, you tend to break your hair. You tend to cause your hair to break, okay, because you are touching it and it's fragile. People think our hair is not fragile. Our hair is fragile. So stop touching your hair. Stop over manipulating your hair. Stop it, because that will only cause more breakage. When it comes to thickening your hair, please understand that if your hair is of a fine density, is a fine texture, if it's something that is not dense, if genetically you are not dispositioned to have thick hair, that's how your hair is going to be. But if you're someone that you have had thick hair, you have the capability of having thick hair, your hair can be thickened. Now remember, health, age, and medication can also be a deterrent to having thicker hair. So the next thing that I did was I also started massaging. And when I massage my hair, I'm massaging the right way. I'm like really doing this deep tissue massage. I'm not just scrubbing on my head like, oh, I need to massage, because all that friction can cause breakage. So I'm being very gentle to like really get into my hair. I massage my scalp, I massage everywhere, and I tend to do that during the week. So during the week, even in hairstyles, I can still go in and massage my scalp. And also, when I massage my scalp, I make sure that my scalp has some kind of lubrication, like an oil or something already in it. So the third thing that I did was I also started using fenugreek. So fenugreek is a very good Ayurvedic herb. It comes in seeds. So fenugreek, you can take fenugreek seeds, you can make oils out of it, you can make hair mask out of it. I use a pre-made one, and that is, I use the Kadima Fenugreek Deep Conditioner. When I started incorporating this, especially into my hair routine, oh my goodness, it really helped me in strengthening my hair, in thickening my hair. And fenugreek has a way of promoting hair growth because it helps support hair loss, whereby it helps strengthen your hair follicles. So if your hair follicles are strengthened and they're not breaking, then your hair will appear thicker because you don't have strands of hair broken all over the place, and your hair has that fullness and that thickness that you are capable of having. So the fourth thing that I started doing was I started using biotin supplements. Yes, I do use biotin supplements, vitamins, because my body, I don't have the amount that I need. Please go to your doctor and go and check. But when I started incorporating biotin supplements, biotin serums, and all that stuff, they did help me. They helped me with my skin, they helped me with my hair. I'm gonna do a video about how to properly use biotin so that you don't break out and you don't have all those acne issues. Using the right biotin makes sense a lot. Now you want to know the last thing that I started doing, and this to me was a huge huge change. The last one was a huge change, and if I didn't tell you what it was, I'll be a very wicked person. So the last thing that I started doing was I started washing my hair in twist. Okay, so in the past I'd been washing my hair in twist and I stopped washing my hair in twist, but now I'm back to washing my hair in twist, and I find that when I do that, I don't get a lot of breakage, I don't get a lot of tangles, and I keep the hair on my head and not in the shower or in the bathtub or wherever you're washing your hair. So those are the methods that have helped me. I hope they help you. If you guys have any methods that have helped you thicken your hair, comment down below, let me know, and please remember to subscribe and click the like button. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.